I'm doubting myself. Let me just correct myself and I'll be back. Okay. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. Today I'm trying my luck again with this wig, so let's get into it. So before I start, I'm just gonna show you how my hair looks. This is how I wrap my hair when I go to sleep. But I want to show you how the curls are looking. It's been 7 days since the last time I washed. I'm gonna wash it when I install this wig, if it ever happens. But let me just show you the curls, how are looking after all these days. And remember, this is from last week. I did my styling with my flexible, my flexible detangling brush. It was a huge revelation. Go ahead and watch it when you have time. But yeah, these are those same curls, and they have lasted a while, so I'm definitely doing it again. So yeah, I'm just gonna click it away. So I simply wanted to show it to you. I'm just gonna clip it away, and let's just tackle this wig, because you know she did me wrong. But anyway, I have an idea on what I'm gonna do with her. Let me show you some things, because I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but a few of the things that I noticed after, you know, doing her and missing some things. I don't know if you're gonna notice, but I think I overplugged the hairline around here. So I'm thinking, oh, and the little hairs I cut on the sides to actually try to blend my hairline with the wig. This part of my hairline didn't actually work. Go and see that video, you're gonna have a laugh. But I'm gonna add some layers to hair, because I think it's gonna be nicer if it has some layers, just to change the style. I was asked what color this was. This is a 27. Guys, I know you probably want to get this wig somewhere else because it's a human hair blend, but you're not gonna find this actual unit, because I did a little research, and apparently Ice's hair was a part of the main choice, and the main choice discontinued the line, the brown sugar line. This is the stock card, if you want to say. The color is 27. I'm just gonna put her again here in the stand. Let's see, I'm gonna be cutting layers on her, and I'm gonna be following Styles by Summer here on YouTube. I'm gonna leave in the description a link to the tutorial I'm gonna be using and to her channel, so go and watch her video better, because she's gonna explain everything much better to whatever I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna try to make it work with my really beginner level of hairstyling. But I think her tutorials are very good. She explains very well what to do. Don't know if it's easy, but she makes it simple. So go ahead and give her some love. Just go and watch her videos, because she has all sorts of haircuts where you can follow. So first of all, what she does in her video is she divides the hair in 4. So probably I'm doing too much for a wig. Let me clip this one away to show you where I am is divided in four. I don't know if you notice, it's divided in four. And she says that you make your guide with one of these in the back. So I'm just gonna choose, I don't know, any side. It doesn't really matter because I don't really know what I'm doing. Again, go and watch her tutorial, not mine. I cannot teach you what I'm doing. I'm just following her. So I think, if I don't misremember, so I want to keep the length, but I want to give it some layering here. So she says that you grab a piece from up here. Let me just grab this piece up here. And you measured your layers. Depending on what you want, you cut as much hair as you go. So she makes an explanation about where it falls and to give it some movement. So I might just cut around here. Start cutting around here. And all the layers will just go up. So you just have to redirect this hair all the way up. And it will eventually start falling down once the layers are in there. And she said something about point cutting. That I don't know what that means, but maybe I'm grabbing the hair wrongly. Maybe it should be like this. I'm doubting myself. Let me just correct myself and I'll be back. Okay, so here goes nothing. I'm just gonna, she says point cutting. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow dry it and style it, and I'm gonna install it and show you the final result. I hopefully this time I'm gonna be actually being able to hide my sides with this front style thing. So I'm thinking more of a something like this. Let me just see if I can show you a little bit what I'm trying to accomplish. Something like this. So it's gonna cover all this part of my hair. No, this part here. It's looking okay. Anyway, let's do that and I'll see you in a bit. So guys, I'm back. I just put these flexuros on top just to give it some texture to the hair. I don't know, I put on this, I braid my hair, I put this shirt on because I think it has like a 70s style vibe, I think, the wig in the end. So we'll see. I'm just gonna take her out and look how she looks like, and I'll see you when I'm putting it on. So guys, what do you think? Let me just pop it out of this to show you what do you think. How the curls, how the hair is looking. I think it's falling a little flat, but I can see movement from the layers that I cut, and it actually feels very soft. The hair feels super soft. Um, so yeah, I'm just gonna do a little bit of hairspray because I wanna hold at least this shape here in front of the face before I actually try to put it on. So. So my camera died while I was putting this on, but I installed it with the ball hold lace jelly because I don't do anything permanent when I'm styling, at least the couple of wigs that I've reviewed here and I'm showing you. But look at this side. This side actually looks really good. Let me just get this other one down also. So my idea was to have this side go forward this way, but it's already losing the curl. But hopefully I'll manage to make it look good, at least for the video or for a couple of pictures. I think maybe I cut too much on this side. I don't know, but yeah, it's giving me very 70s style hair. But this is the final result. Love this side, how it looks after the haircut. So maybe eventually I would probably cut it again, like make this one shorter. I mean, like a really short bang that it just falls in here. But overall, it's fine. I think that if I just give it like a toss, it'll look a little bit better. Let me just it'll look a little bit better. Yeah, it actually gives it like a normal, natural fall. At least in my mind. Maybe I'm too delusional already trying to make this wig any better. But yeah, well, it's all about the learning experience, and this is the definite learning experience. So what you guys think? I'm gonna try to take some pictures with this and maybe post them on my Instagram. But yeah, this is the final result. Actually, I have nothing else to say besides, again, I don't think you can find this wig anywhere. Remember, I colored this wig, tried to color this wig in December. It didn't work. It become a little darker because I know in between all these hair you can still get pockets of tiny little strands of human hair because it's a human blend hair wig. But yeah, it turned out to come out in this copper type color, but it started as a 27, so you can get a 27 wig in most brands out there that are already that you can get better quality wigs. But yeah, I'm just touching it because I'm trying to make it have a final look that actually looks well on camera, because this side seems to be puffier, probably because it has more layers into it, and this side seems more flatter. So we just curl it a little bit like this way, shake it a little bit. It's great. Yeah, so I think this is the best I can let it be. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at Panacurls, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.